Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Claude with Canva. We are going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to come here to Claude. We are going to click on Customize on the left-hand side, and we're going to say Connect your tools. Here, if you don't see Canva, you're going to use the search bar, you're going to type Canva, and here we're going to click on Connect. Once we click on Connect here, the system will prompt you to log into Canva and to allow Claude to have access to your Canva. So we are going to say here, allow. If you have more than one team, you're going to select which team you want to allow Claude to have access to. And now we basically authorize Claude to have access to Canva, which means that now we can reference everything that is happening in Canva here in our prompts. We can create design, we can edit designs, and a lot more things. Now, if you want to understand what are all the opportunities that you have available, let's go back here to connect our tools, and let's click here on Canva. If you scroll down, you're going to see here under tools, everything that you are able to do with Claude, from Claude directly with Canva. You can search designs, you can get designs, you can create folders, you can move items into folders, you can even generate designs in Canva straight from Claude. So you can describe what exactly you want to create, you can reference Canva, and then Claude will basically create the design using Canva for you. So that's all for this video. That's how easy it is to connect Canva with Claude. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.